Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we are diving into the world of data integration and learning how to create a simple job in Talend. Stick around as we go step by step through the process. The first step is creating a new job. Let's kick things off by heading to the job design. A simple left click and we will create a new job. Let's name it as a row generator. Coming to the next step, in this we are going to add columns with T-row generator. Now in the palette or job designer UI, search for the T-row generator component, double click it and in the left middle corner, click the plus button to add columns. I will go with the first name, last name, city and state. For some data variety, I will use Talend's date generator function. Set the number of rows to 1000 and let's preview 10 rows. And the next step is displaying auto-generated data with T-log-row. To see all the auto-generated rows, we will use the T-log-row component. Connect it to T-row generator, select the table option and run the job. Now we can marvel at our 1000 rows in a tabular format. And the next step is adding a date column. Let's add a date column to track when this data was inserted. We will need the trusty tmap component. Connect T-row generator to tmap, double click tmap and get ready for some mapping magic. The next step is mapping with tmap. In the tmap component, add a new output named insert1. Select all source columns and drop them into the output section. Now we will add a new field where record insert date. Head to the expression builder, choose Talend date, pick get current date, switch the data type to date and drop it in the output section. And the last step is completing the mapping task. With the mapping complete, click OK. Right click tmap, select row, then insert after. Connect it to T-log-row, go to the component, click sync columns and run the task. And there you have it. You have just mastered the art of creating a simple job in Talend. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more data-driven content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.